Most people think plants just grow however they want. But truth is, you can actually train your plants to grow fuller, taller, or even in a specific direction. Welcome to the Chlorophyll Chronicles, where every plant has a story. Let's write it well. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tim. If you're not, welcome back. If your plant is growing uneven, leaning, or just looking a little wild, it's not random. Plants respond to their environment, and once you understand that, you can start guiding that growth instead of just reacting to it.
Plants are always responding to their environment, even when we don't notice it. Every leaf reaches for light, every stem searches for direction, and over time, those small responses shape the entire plant.
First thing to understand, plants grow toward light. That's why they lean toward windows or they stretch in one direction and get lopsided over time. So if you don't guide them, they'll make their own decisions. And honestly, they don't always make good ones.
If a plant only receives light from one side, it naturally starts growing toward it. That's why some plants become uneven, stretched, or start leaning over time. They're simply adapting to what's available.
The easiest way to train your plant? Rotate it. Just turning your plant a quarter turn every few days helps it grow evenly on all sides. This alone can take a plant from leaning and awkward to balanced and full.
Sometimes the smallest adjustments create the biggest difference. Rotating a plant regularly helps to distribute light more evenly, encouraging balanced growth from every side.
If you want your plant to grow up instead of out, you need to give it something to climb. That's where stakes, trellises, and moss poles come in. Plants like pothos, philodendrons, and other vines naturally want to climb. They just need a little direction.
Many vining plants are natural climbers. In nature, they would grow upward along trees and surfaces, searching for better light and support. Giving them structure indoors helps recreate that natural growth pattern.
Now this is where things really start to change. When you prune a plant, you're not just cutting it, you're telling it where to grow next. Cutting encourages branching, and branching is what creates that full, lush look. This is how you take one long vine and you turn it into a fuller plant over time. You can also physically guide your plant as it grows.
Pruning changes more than appearance. It redirects the plant's energy, encouraging new branching and fuller growth over time. One intentional cut can completely change the shape of a plant.
Gently repositioning stems, tying them loosely, or directing new growth where you want it to go. Think of it less like forcing the plant and more like coaching it.
Plants are flexible while they grow. Some adjustments made early can influence the direction, shape, and overall structure long before the plant fully matures.
Healthy plants don't just happen, they're shaped over time. A little rotation, a little pruning, a little guidance, and suddenly, your plant doesn't just grow, it grows better.
Healthy plants are rarely accidental. They're shaped gradually through light, structure, maintenance, and consistency. Over time, those small decisions become the difference between a plant that simply survives and one that truly thrives.
If you've got a plant that's growing a little wild right now, don't fight it, guide it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this even further and design your plant setup so everything grows exactly like you want it to from the start.
The more you understand how plants respond to their environment, the more intentional your entire plant space becomes. And that's exactly what we're diving into next.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there on the next one.